Hello, my name is Miwako. Thank you for visiting my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make ramen noodles from scratch. I am making a series of videos on how to make ramen, and this is part 1 where we make the noodles. We only need 4 ingredients and it's super easy. The recipe is in the description box below. So let's get started. Semolina flour, baked baking soda, also known as sodium carbonate, vital wheat gluten. Stir until well combined. Place in a food processor. With the food processor running, slowly add water. Pause for a while, then scrape the bowl. Repeat a few times until they're well combined. It will remain dry and crumble, but don't worry, the magic will happen soon. Place in a Ziploc bag and let rest for a few hours in room temperature or overnight in the refrigerator. A few hours later, can you see the difference? Semolina flour absorbed the water and it's not as dry as it used to be. It's time to roll the dough now. Just so you know, this is a much harder dough compared to regular pasta. Take it out from a plastic bag. We'll continue rolling using a pasta machine. You don't have a pasta machine? Don't worry, you can just keep rolling using a rolling pin. Cut the dough into half. Place the rest of the half back into the plastic bag in order to prevent from getting dry. Start with the widest setting available. In my case, I started with 0. Keep feeding the dough into the machine a few times with the widest setting. It will make the dough smoother. Now turn the dial to the next setting, in my case number 1. And feed the dough into the machine. Keep doing this until it reaches the thickness you like. In general, the thickness of ramen is somewhere between spaghetti and angel hair, but it's all up to you, whatever the thickness you like. If the dough starts to get sticky, sprinkle some cornstarch. Once it reaches the thickness of your choice, trim the edge if it's not smooth. Time to make noodles. Sprinkle cornstarch onto the thinly rolled sheet of pasta. Feed into the cutting attachment. Hey, look at these beautiful ramen noodles. Don't they look delicious? Sprinkle some cornstarch to prevent noodles getting stuck together. Boil water. Add salt. Add noodles. Cook for 1 minute or so. Drain the water and rinse with fresh water for a few seconds. This is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As I mentioned earlier, I'm working on a separate video how to make a vegan soup from scratch, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And this is a good time to hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks again, and hope to see you very soon. Bye!